Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. In this video, I am showing the first time how you can draw a candle by drawing a digit 1. Yes, for this reason you need to watch the full video to learn the drawing. And never forget, this is your channel also. So send your artwork, art videos in our channel because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So let's start our candle drawing. Yes, you have to draw the digit 1. You all know how to draw the digit 1. So I have written the digit 1. Now I have drawn a vertical line, you can see. And this is the fire in the candle. So you can see how I have drawn. Yes, this way. Now what I am drawing? I am drawing candle is melting. Yes. So now we will see how to color the candle. So look, this is our candle. We will show crayon coloring. So first we will draw the border because I don't want color goes outside of the line. So look, you can see how I have colored. Yes. Now the opposite side also there is a line, so I don't want that color goes outside of the line, so I am coloring, you can see, in one directions. If you want to color horizontally, then maintain that direction, but here in this video I am coloring vertically, so I am maintaining that direction. So now this is sky blue color. First I took ultramarine blue. So I have finished ultramarine blue coloring both sides of the candle. Now in my hand this is cobalt blue color and I am mixing the color very nicely, very gently with ultramarine, and the spaces are left. I am using blue color on that. And again I am saying you have to mix the colors, both sky blue and ultramarine blue, both should be mixed very nicely. Now I want to look my candle 3D, so you have to take the white color. If your white color is not looking clear, then take a piece of cotton to rub this. Okay, because I want clean white color. So gently I am just using in the middle of the candle little white touch. Now I have taken again the blue color and giving little bit of white. I don't want this melting part will be too dark. I want it very lighter because light is reflecting on this melting wax. So this way I have finished the coloring almost. So little bit touch of ultramarine color that we can figure out the drawing. should be very clean and clear. And now we will color red? Because the core of the fire, so that should be very red. Now I'm using yellow color, lemon yellow on it, and again mix very gently. Whatever color you are using, that should be mixed with another color very gently. Now the fire, you can see it's lighting, so lights are reflecting, so that I'm showing how light spreading, how lights are spreading. So I have used this color. Now I'm taking the orange color, I'm just using by the red color, orange color, so you can see, so gently I have colored. So our this part also finished. Take a 10B pencil for border. Students sometimes they use black color as a border, but the black is too dark, it doesn't look very realistic, and sometimes it is very inconvenience for the students to color to border. So better you use, it is very convenient to use a 10B pencil. This is the baseline. So I hope you like this video, it will be useful for you. So this is our candle drawing. You also send your drawing in our mail ID, or you can contact us in WhatsApp number. So look, these are the steps. Yes, this way how I'm using this digit to draw my candle. Fantastic, very easy.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.